Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of Fairway Estate. Now this is one of the nicest developments you are going to find in Drax. It's a residential development, houses. Now we've always said that Drax is based off the Richmond Estate model, and this development is probably the number one development in Drax. And as you look at it, you can see that this development is also based off the Richmond Estate model. Very nice homes, and they're completely sold out. To get a house or a home in Drax is very difficult, especially with the earlier developments. As they start, they're sold out. But the good news is thousands or hundreds of new homes are under construction. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. The Fairway Estate in Drax St. Anne represents one of the most desirable new residential enclaves along Jamaica's vibrant north coast. Situated strategically between Ocho Rios and Runaway Bay, the development embodies the transformation of Drax from a quiet coastal district into a modern mixed-use community, combining upscale living, commercial growth, and accessibility. Designed with comfort, convenience, and security in mind, Fairway Estate is part of the new wave of planned communities reshaping the island's housing landscape. At its core, Fairway Estate is a gated community featuring a range of modern 3 and 4 bedroom homes and villas. The development emphasizes privacy and exclusivity while maintaining proximity to essential amenities. Each home reflects contemporary Caribbean architecture with open-plan interiors, landscape yards, and energy-efficient features suited to Jamaica's tropical climate. The community also includes recreational facilities such as a swimming pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, and access to a private beach club, giving residents a resort-style lifestyle within a secure environment. What makes Fairway Estate particularly appealing is its location within the Drax Estate Zone, one of the fastest growing areas on Jamaica's north coast. Drax Hall's expansion has been driven by a steady influx of new developments, including shopping centers, supermarkets, and service stations, making it a convenient and self-contained region. Major retailers and brands have established outlets nearby, including Starbucks, KFC, and Knutsford Express, ensuring residents have ready access to daily conveniences. The estate's proximity to Ocho Rios, a key tourism hub, further enhances its appeal to both local homeowners and foreign investors seeking vacation or rental properties. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think of this development, and do you think it reminds you of Richmond Estate? Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.